Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of technology. I'm your host, Prince, and today we're going to talk about the programs that make our computers useful. In this video, I'll introduce you to the different types of software and explain what each one does. So, let's dive in. Simply put, software refers to the programs and operating systems that run on a computer. It's the intangible part of a computer system, unlike hardware, which is physical. Software tells the hardware what to do, and it's what makes a computer useful for tasks like work, entertainment, and communication. Now, let's take a look at the different types of software. These include system software, which is the operating system that manages the computer's hardware and provides a platform for other software to run. Examples include Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Next, we have application software, which consists of programs that perform specific tasks, such as word processing, web browsing, or gaming. Examples include Microsoft Office, Google Chrome, and Fortnite. System software refers to the programs and operating systems that manage and control a computer's hardware components and provide a platform for running application software. It acts as an intermediary between the user and the computer hardware, allowing users to interact with the computer in a more convenient and user-friendly way. Types of system software include operating systems, which manage computer hardware resources and provide a platform for running application software, with examples like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Device drivers control and interact with hardware devices, such as printers, graphics cards, and sound cards. Utility software performs maintenance and optimization tasks, such as disk cleanup, disk formatting, and virus scanning. Firmware is permanent software stored in non-volatile memory, used to control and interact with hardware devices, such as a computer's BIOS. Functions of system software encompass process management, which manages the creation, execution, and termination of processes running on the computer. Memory management oversees the allocation and deallocation of memory for running programs. File management provides a file system for storing and retrieving files. Input-output management handles input-output operations between devices, such as keyboards, displays, and printers. Lastly, security offers mechanisms for controlling access to computer resources, such as user authentication and access control. Application software, also known as apps, are programs designed to perform specific tasks or solve particular problems. They run on top of system software and utilize computer hardware resources to provide functionality to users. Examples of application software include Microsoft Office for word processing, spreadsheets, and presentations, Google Chrome as a web browser, Adobe Photoshop for image editing, Spotify for music streaming, Facebook as a social media platform, Skype for video conferencing, Adobe Acrobat for PDF reading and editing, Microsoft Outlook as an email client, Apple iTunes for media playing and management, and Mozilla Firefox as another web browser. There are various types of application software. Productivity software helps users create and manage documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, such as Microsoft Office. Graphics and design software enables users to create and edit visual content, like Adobe Photoshop. Multimedia software allows users to play, create, and edit audio and video content, exemplified by Apple iTunes. Internet and communication software facilitates online communication, browsing, and information sharing, with examples like Google Chrome and Skype. Educational software provides interactive learning experiences, tutorials, and simulations, such as language learning apps. Game software offers entertainment through interactive games and simulations, like Fortnite and Minecraft. Characteristics of application software include a user-friendly interface, specific functionality, operation on top of system software, utilization of computer hardware resources, and the ability to be installed, updated, and uninstalled. In summary, application software provides users with specialized tools to perform various tasks, making computers more useful and productive. It's actually pretty simple. Software is made up of code, which is written in a programming language. When you run a program, the code is executed by the computer's processor, which performs the task specified in the code. The software also interacts with the computer's hardware, using inputs like the keyboard and mouse, and outputs like the monitor and speakers. Finally, let's talk about software development. This is the process of designing, coding, testing, and maintaining software. It involves a range of activities, from planning and analysis to coding and debugging. Software developers use a variety of tools and techniques to create software, including programming languages, development environments, and testing frameworks. That is a basic overview of computer software. We hope this video has helped you understand the different types of software and how they work. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into specific topics like programming languages and software development. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.